Hello there. Today I'll be making a geo plot, something like this. This is the Superstore Data that I plotted in Tableau. So let's get this started from scratch. Okay. So as a beginning, I will first import the dataset, that is the Superstore Data. Then I will just simply double click on that and plot. Basically, this is how we plot, or this is the simplest way of plotting geodata Tableau. Secondly, I will just add the country or region in the details segment so that I can identify the places in the map. So here the country or region data is grouped, so by clicking on the plus button I can just expand. So just clicking, so I can see the states now. If I want to expand even more, just click, so I can see the series. Another click, doesn't do anything. Fine. So now I want to see the profits distribution over the maps. So I'll not to profit, I'll work with sales, some sales. So I will just drag and drop some values and put it on size. You see, the size has been reorganized based on the values of sum. So we can see that we have had the most of the sales from New York, then secondly I guess from Los Angeles, and this is a basic distribution we can see. Okay, now if we want to dig down and dip further, so we can change the map type and select density. See, it's the density of the profits we are you can see right now on the screen. So if I add a color based on the sum of sales, then it will change a bit. The color is not at all visible, so I will just change it. Something that is visible. Well, it is visible. Okay. So now we can see the density on the maps, on the locations where we had most of the sales. So we can make some more customizations, like we can change the background of the map. For that, we go to the map menu, then select map layers, and in the style section, just select, like I really like the dark, so selecting dark. Everything is gone darker. Here are some more layers, like if you want to select the area code boundaries or like point of interest on the map, you can just like click on that, and those things will be visible on the map. So just change now once more, because in the dark theme it's not that much visible. In that orange gold goes very well with the dark theme. We can even work or play with the intensity. Yeah, like to be 65%. Right. Now I guess it's good to go, and we have plotted the sales density over the map. And that was all for me today. Thank you very much for watching.